Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the hands-free calling in the Realme X7 Pro after the Realme UI 2.0 update. So while gaming friends, hands-free calling is another feature which is particularly important while most of the gamers. So a lot of users did ask me how is the hands-free calling while playing the games in this Realme X7 Pro device. So in this video, I'll try to show you all the features which are related to this particular option. So right now I'm running the latest Android 11 stable update and the Realme UI 2.0, as you can see, 2.0 version in the Realme X7 Pro. So this will be the good example, you friends, to show you how is the game space improved and what are the hands-free techniques you can use while gaming in the Realme X7 Pro. So let's begin the test, friends. First you need to open the game space application, as you can see. So as soon as you open the application, you'll get this kind of, I'm going to try this, the game which is a Gateway 2. So this is a game which I'm going to try right now. So you can find the settings about the notification and message and calls while playing the games. So there is no settings here available, as you can see, friends. So there is no settings here in this latest Realme UI 2.0. In the before Realme UI 1.0, there is an option called this option, so where you can block notifications, so which is directly placed in the game space. But in the latest version of the game space, you cannot see that kind of options here. As you can see, you cannot see any kind of options. Even those options are not present in the settings as well. So only while playing the games you will be able to see that kind of blocking notifications and the blocking call options. So now let's begin the test by playing this kind of game. So this is a game which I'm going to play right now, friends. So let me try to open quickly. And when you are in the game, you'll get this kind of option to swipe from the left side, as you can see. So here on the top you can see the notifications, blocking the notifications, and bullet notifications, as you can see, rejecting the calls. So all the information is placed up here, friends, in this small area. So before it used to be in the game space, which I particularly like, but there is a new interface I don't like at all in terms of using this game space. So I'll try to talk more about this in another video, but let's focus on this rejecting calls and blocking notifications and the messages. So here you do have the blocking notifications. If you want all the notifications unblocked, all the notifications blocked, as you can see. If you want, you can have the bullet notifications as well. So bullet notifications from the WhatsApp, normal messages, and the speed, how much speed the message can go, and the opacity, how much it can be visible. So I'll try to do one sample testing while gaming right now. So let me try to quickly. As you can see, you will get this kind of message which is going. So this is a bullet notification for the testing. So let me try to include again. So this is how the message will come. Game space. So this is a bullet notification for testing. So the message is not that visible, but if you want the message to be visible a little bit better, you can increase the opacity and the speed. You can decrease the speed how much less you want. So the more less speed you can keep, the more you can read the text clearly. So this is how you will get, friends, the bullet notifications. That's a very, very good advantage. So it doesn't even disturb. If you cannot even tap on the messages. So even while gaming, you cannot even disturb your game, what you are doing. So let me try to quickly message my number to receive. So I just send a text message to this phone. As you can see right now, you are seeing this kind of message, Sai Tech Guru, and which says hi, as you can see, friends. So where the message is coming. So these are the bullet notifications work, so which is perfectly good while playing the games. Even if you tap on that, you cannot even access. That's a very good advantage. So now let's test the calling features. So what does the calling features include? So right now I did not even enable the reject calls. So let me try to start calling and let's see what type of notification you will get here. So right now I'm trying to play. As you can see, friends, whenever you get a call while playing the game, you'll get this kind of small notification bar. So in the background, the game will be continuing. As you can see, you can continue the game, but you'll get this small message. And whenever you pick up the call, it will stay in the small bar icon only, as you can see, your friends, clearly. So which doesn't even disturb the game much if you're trying to play. And whenever you cut the call also, the game will be still continuing. As you can see, the game is still continuing without any interruption. So this is a usage. And next, let me try to use the reject calls. So incoming calls will be rejected. So now let's see what will happen if I try to give a call to my phone number. So the call is completely getting rejected, friends. I'm not even getting any calls. It got rejected as well. So the moment I started to call, so this is how useful it is if you want to enable this kind of features using this game space. So these are the latest versions here which is available in this Realme UI 2.0. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. So same kind of video, hands-free calling, I'll try to do in the MI smartphones as well. So which is another most important thing for the MI gamers. So I'll try to do it in the other Redmi and the Poco phones as well. Same kind of testing, hands-free calling testing. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to know how to do that. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.